Okay, it's me, Jonathan, here at the studios. This actually dried, well, most of it did, but some didn't. I don't think it's gonna rain on and off probably due to the sky. See, you got some blue, you got some white, you got some gray, you got the sun out. You got everything, but it is drizzling the smallest amount. The trees are still shaking and the wind is very high. So now it's really high, the wind. Yesterday my basement almost flooded. Thanks to my mom and her smartness, we didn't die. And right here is stick is still standing. I don't even know how that's still standing. Even though I put it like a quarter of a centimeter in the ground. Stepping on sticks and leaves hurts. Look at this. God. Sticks and leaves are hitting me. I'd better get inside where it's safer. Because a stick just hit my arm about like that. So, and it hurts a lot. And yeah, so I think it's over. Well, I don't think it's over because we got rest of the day. It's 5 o'clock right now. We got rest of the day though before it's over. And if the power goes off for a long time, it might not come back on for like a couple of, well, a week at least. So that's it for now. And yeah, that's it for now. Hey, it's me, Jonathan from the studios. I'm back again. It is so beautiful, but it's so windy. It's sort of like fall. Well, it is coming up. Well, yeah, it is coming up, but this is my first hurricane I ever was in when I was a kid. Well, when I was alive and I still am, so yeah. This is my first hurricane ever. It's so cool. Wish I got all on tape so you guys could watch, but I couldn't.